Hey y'all, since we're all stuck at home for a little while, I thought maybe it would be a good idea to show y'all a little bit about watercolor. So I'm going to do just a little bit of a little lamb face for you. So this is one of those black face lambs. So I just thought it would be a fun thing that y'all could copy while you're sitting at home, or while you got to be home with the kids, or this might even be a good project for your kids if you've got just some kids watercolor. All we need is black. That's the only color we're going to be using today. So, all right, right now, so you see I'm doing his nose, or her nose, whichever you choose. It could be a U. All right, so we just got a little bit of paint there. And now I'm going to come back and do the ears. And they just kind of hang down on the side of their face with a little watercolor. And so there's one, here's the second. And you can make them a little darker if you want to. Just going to kind of make the ears kind of be right there on the side. And I kind of want that to puddle down closer to the end so that it kind of gives a little bit of a darker end to the ears. And I think I'm going to come back and add just a little more black down here at the bottom of the nose. And you can kind of see I've left a little bit of light right in that area because we don't want to cover the whole thing. We want to have a little bit of a light showing there. And let's see if I can straighten up this ear just a little bit. Now, I think I'm happier with that. A little more black down here at the bottom. Okay, so we've got the basic shape. Now I'm going to change to a smaller brush and do the wool at the top of it on his forehead. And again, we're just using black, and this has got a lot of water in it, so it's a very light color. So we're just going to kind of come around and do just a little bit of curly Q there, just so that little lamb has a little bit of wool on his forehead. Now, and there you have your little lamb.